Welcome to this video lesson where I'll be teaching you Randy Meisner's bass line from Already Gone by the Eagles. I've been meaning to make some lessons on songs with more of a country flavour to them, and this is a perfect introduction as it's got that classic country rock feel to it. The verse has a root fifth bass line which you hear a lot in country music, and it's really interesting to see where Randy Meisner takes the bass line in the chorus. You can get a free copy of this bass line on a PDF by clicking the link below in the description. I'll then email you an option of a PDF with standard notation or tab. First of all, I'll play you the introduction, which is a 4-bar pattern repeated twice. We start on G for 4 beats, and then D for 4 beats, and then C for 4 beats, and then this pattern. So what we do is we start on 1 and. So if I play the C from the bar before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we're stepping up chromatically, E, F, F sharp, D, G. So from the C again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then the pattern again. And then we're into the verse. I'll play the verse for you now first of all. The verse is 16 bars long and it consists of 4 4-bar patterns, and they're the same each time apart from the last bar of each pattern. So first of all, it's handy to know that the introduction, the verse and the chorus all have the same chords or the same harmony underneath them. So it's a bar of G, a bar of D and 2 bars of C. So I'll now show you the first 4 bars of the verse. So we've got this bar of G, and it goes down to the D, which is the 5th. So G, D, C sharp, and then D, and the 5th of D, which is A, and then C, down to the 5th of C, which is G, and then this pattern. So that's on a C, so C, E, E, C, E, C, E, F sharp, and then back to G. So the whole of the first 4 bars, 3, 4. And again the same 4 bars. I'll now show you bar 8, 12 and 16 of the verse, because once you know these 3 bars then you can play the whole of the verse. So remember, these bars are over a C chord, so bar 8, so C, C, A, G, D and back up to the G. So if I play you bar 7 and 8, all on a C chord, 3, 4. And then G. And bar 12, so we've got C, E, E, F, F sharp, D, G. So I'll now play you bar 11 and 12. Back to the G. I'll now play you bar 16, C, E, F, F sharp. So it's the same but an octave lower as. So C, E, F, F sharp, A, and to the chorus. So bars 15 and 16 on the C. And again. We'll now move on to the chorus, which I'll play you first. chorus uses a sort of classic blues walking line, but with a few more eighth notes, so this kind of line. So we're using root, major third, fifth and sixth, okay? But we play it like this. So I'll show you bar 1 of the chorus. G, B, B, D, D, E, C. So it's the same shape here for the next bar for the D, but it's easier to stay in position and play, so from the G, D, okay, so D, F sharp, A, B, A. So the first 2 bars of the chorus, 3, 4. Again, 3, 4. And then C. And again. Okay, so we'll try those first 4 bars of the chorus a little bit slower. 3, 4. And again. And if you look at the PDF, you'll notice that the chorus has 4 bars repeated 3 times and then 4 bars after that as well. And they're all identical, these bars, apart from at the end of the chorus, you go down to a D. So the last bar, and then to the verse. And for the first 3 times round, it's... Now the other verses are pretty much the same as the first verse. There's just a few minor changes that you'll see, and then the last bar of each 4 bar section is different. So you can play the bass line from verse 1 fine under all these verses and under the guitar solo, but if you want to play the exact bass line, then make sure you download the PDF from below and you can look at what I've put there at the end of each 4 bar phrase. The other choruses are also the same as the first chorus. The last bit we need to look at is the key change at the end. We've been in G major throughout the tune, and now we change to C major. We've got a bar of C, a bar of G, and then this pattern twice. So that's F, F, G, A. And I slide from the G to A, or you can do a hammer on, but I slide. So C, C, D, C. So play that with me slowly. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got the last 4 bars, which are repeated round and round to fade. Now these last 4 bars are based on that pattern we've just done on the F. But it's on a bar of C, so remember, get that slide, so you're sliding from D to E here, then G, and then F, F again. That covers the whole of the bass line, and I really like what Randy Meisner has done with this song. It's a simple but very effective bass line, and he makes these 3 chords interesting. So make sure you download the PDF from the description below this video, and you can also subscribe to me here on YouTube by pressing the red button below. I'll be looking at more country songs in future videos, so comment below and let me know your favourite country bass lines. You might also want to head over to my website to have a look, which is gbshed.com. I've got a free members area, more videos, a bass beginner guide, and loads more free bass resources. So go and check those out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and comment below and share it with anyone, which really helps me out. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. I'll see you in the next video.